Knee flexion. The knee flexor muscles include the sartorius, gracilis, gastrocnemius, plantaris, popliteus, and hamstrings, comprised of semimembranosus, semitendinosus, and biceps femoris. When these muscles shorten as they contract, it allows the lower leg, through the knee joint, to bend. Use the appropriate body position as required by the condition of your client or patient. Variation 1. Knee flexion while standing. Secure the band against the wall, a sturdy surface near the ground, or a heavy object. Secure the other end of the band on the ankle of the knee to be strengthened. Note on the video that the direction of the resistance should come from opposite the direction of the movement. Stand upright facing the wall and with a supporting foot elevated off the ground to provide foot clearance on the exercising leg. Provide yourself with more stability by holding on to a chair or a table. Maintain an upright position and place the knee on an initial position of extension. Bring the foot backward and upward against the pull of the resistance band. Isolate the movement by making sure that the thigh does not move such that both knees are level to each other at all times during the exercise. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Choose the right color of the band for the needed resistance. Variation 2. Knee flexion while seated. Secure the band against the wall, a sturdy surface near the ground, or a heavy object. Secure the other end of the band on the ankle of the knee to be strengthened. Note on the video that the direction of the resistance should come from opposite the direction of the movement. Sit on a sturdy chair facing the wall, with the seat elevated to provide foot clearance on the exercising leg. Maintain an upright seated position, and place the knee on an initial position of extension. Bring the foot downward and backward against the pull of the resistance band. Isolate the movement by making sure that the thigh does not move such that both knees are level to each other at all times during the exercise. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Choose the right color of the band for the needed resistance. Variation 3. Knee flexion in prone position. Secure the band against the wall, a sturdy surface near the ground, or a heavy object. Secure the other end of the band on the ankle of the knee to be strengthened. Note on the video that the direction of the resistance should come from opposite the direction of the movement. Lie on your belly on the floor, or preferably a treatment table, such that the ankles are at the edge, thus dangling the feet. Place the knee on an initial position of extension. Bring the foot upward and towards your head against the pull of the resistance band. Isolate the movement by making sure that the thigh does not move, such that both knees are level to each other at all times during the exercise. Control the movement as you go back to the original position. Choose the right color of the band for the needed resistance.